Hi guys, welcome to our tech tutorial. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add, remove, or edit a photo in your phone's contact list. Adding a unique photo to each contact makes it easier to identify callers, especially when you have many contacts with similar names. What you'll learn from this tutorial are how to add a photo to an existing contact, how to assign a photo when creating a new contact, how to remove or change a contact photo. 1. How to add a photo to an existing contact. Open your phone contacts app and select the contact you want to update. Tap the edit icon to make changes. Tap the photo or camera icon at the top of the screen. Choose whether to take a new picture or upload one from your gallery. Select and resize the photo as needed, then tap Save. Tap Save again on the final screen to confirm. 2. How to add a photo to a new contact. Open your dialer and enter the phone number. Tap Create New Contact. After entering the contact name, tap the camera icon. Choose and assign the desired photo. 3. To remove or change the contact photo, tap Editor and select Remove Photo or select the other options. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.